everyone, I'm Andrea, a doctor of physical therapy, and today I'll be showing you how to use your PELEGON shower chair. A shower chair can make it easier to stay independent while you bathe and shower, especially if you have problems with balance or weakness when standing. Before use, please confirm with your healthcare provider if you need supervision or assistance from your caregiver while using this chair. Also, keep in mind that the following information is not a substitute for medical advice. First, make sure your chair is in appropriate height according to your needs before placing it in the shower. Adjusting the legs is easy. Snap each leg like so. Make sure all legs are locked and at the same height. Once adjusted, place the shower chair in your bathtub or shower. It's important to prepare your bathroom for your needs while taking a shower in a seated position. It's best to position your shower caddy lower and the towels nearby so your bathroom supplies are easy to reach. Once you're ready to shower, in order to sit down, make sure that the back of your legs touch the chair. Reach back to the handrails and slowly lower yourself to a sitting position. As you shower, you can hold onto the handrails for extra stability. To stand up from the chair, try to keep your legs shoulder width apart. Place your hands on the handles with a secure grip and use them to slowly push yourself up to a standing position. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other questions about assembling your stool chair, please check out our assembly video for clear and easy instructions at pelegon.com. Thanks for watching and take care for now.